Hello everyone, happy Saturday. This week, the weekly crypto news, the top three world news was super easy. I am so informed about the industry and I always have that news pushed to me by Google or by other sources that I don't miss the industry news. And so I just didn't have to pick top three news from any of the news websites. It was easy. I knew them. So China declared a big war on crypto. Of course, China has been doing it over the time. I mean, they've been very vocal about their uh, strong opposition towards crypto, Bitcoin, everything. But this time, the Central Bank of China, or the Reserve Bank of, like we call it, the main bank, China's central bank said that all kind of crypto transactions are illegal, which means you can't do any crypto transactions in China. Crypto companies cannot operate there. A lot of crypto companies have stopped operations in China after this news, after this ban, like they say, blanket ban or complete ban. So it has strictly prohibited exchanging cryptocurrency for legal tender, providing information for pricing services, and trading in cryptocurrency derivatives. The measure also applies to overseas exchanges that provide services online within the country's borders, and violators will face criminal penalties. So, not just that no one in China can buy, sell, or trade in digital currencies or crypto at all. No company can provide services in the country, and if there would be violators, they would be fined. They will face criminal penalties. On top of that, no foreign companies can pay Chinese individuals or Chinese companies in crypto for, like, again, because it cannot be used as a currency for legal tender. So you can't even pay. So if you get some services or some products from China, you can't pay those guys in crypto as well. This big announcement has come because they have their digital yuan launch very, very close. So of course, they want to make sure that the digital yuan is a big success and crypto is not at all there. This news, of course, China was one of the biggest crypto mining players illegally, of course, because China was always against it. So all the miners had to flee. Now all the companies will have to flee. So this has, of course, impacted all the crypto prices. Bitcoin fell up to 9%. But yeah, let's see. I mean, the direct impact, of course, will be, as they say, is limited because the China's, entrance on virtual currency market has diminished. But as the US hammers out new regulations, other countries work toward their own digital currencies, market watchers are keeping an eye out on similar moves elsewhere. So, the world's biggest, the most populated country, China, has already banned completely crypto. India is still undecided. There is a lot of movement in India, which I will cover in the India news. But I mean, this opens up a lot of possibilities for India, and which I'll cover. So that's the biggest news. China has made it even more clear. So let's see how things progress. The next biggest news was Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder, so-called founder, possible founder of Bitcoin, has a new statue which went up in Budapest. People don't even know the gender of this person, whether it's a he or she, but yeah, there's a new statue in Budapest. I think most countries just want to be the first one, like El Salvador chose to make Bitcoin digital legal tender currency. Budapest is trying their hand at being, welcoming people, like, oh, we are very crypto friendly, and this is one of those ways they are doing it. But yeah, it was unveiled. I have the link in down below, which has the picture of the statue, and it's in Budapest, and the people going crazy taking pictures of it. So that's again a big news. And of course, the third one, which again I just knew because I love Shakira. I'm a big fan of Shakira, and I follow her on Instagram and Twitter everywhere. So I got a notification that Shakira is going to release her own NFT. So I was like, damn. I mean, NFT is one of those biggest users of the crypto blockchain industry, which has gained crazy momentum. I mean, there's no I mean, you can't even imagine any person left out. The next could be J-Lo, next biggest Hollywood actors getting into it, because Amitabh Bachchan has his own as well. Amitabh Bachchan has his own NFT listed on one of the Indian crypto or NFT, because NFTs are different. I mean, you have to have that auction and stuff, so there's a different website. But yeah, I mean, if Shakira has got into it, and it has already been sold out, and she's really happy. She posted it again on Instagram. You'll see some pictures here and some more details. I'll just leave her Instagram link of the NFT that she posted. So it's amazing. I mean, everyone's getting into NFT game, and I think she would be considered as a pioneer later on. Moving on to India news. India's crypto sector has much to gain now that China has given this blanket ban. The industry executives, or the founders and CEOs of CoinDCX, WazirX, all of them, they are reacting to this news that now that the most populated country of the world has banned it, just like Google was banned in China and all the social Facebook. I think the biggest market for all of these services, Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, is India. So the same could happen with crypto, that the biggest market for crypto in the world could be India, because China has made it very clear they have banned it. So there is a huge opportunity, and I think India should definitely capitalize. There are some positive movements, which, of course, this particular news just says that there is a lot of opportunity, but there is another news which I'm covering, the second and the third news, which are positive news in this. So the second biggest news is India's teenagers, 17-year-old people, are also investing. The craze of crypto is so big that they are aware, and they are investing their pocket money. Even those guys, young people, 16-17-year-olds, are investing. They know about Bitcoin, Ethereum. They know that there is a high volatility, but also a high probability of of profitability as well. So Indian teenagers are very, very educated. They are ahead of the game, and they are investing into crypto. India is, of course, the world's third biggest crypto investor community. And this is good news. Even the youngsters are aware, teenagers are aware, they're investing. So China's ban, India's craze for crypto, and of course, Indian government, or government officials are kind of making some positive moves. That's the third news, that cryptocurrency trade taxation might just come up. There's a cryptocurrency bill which is supposed to be coming up very soon, and the finance ministry has formed a committee to examine the scope of how cryptocurrency will be taxed. They've given them 1 month for that to come up with their suggestions about this. And so we will have more clarity. And this, the whole regulation and making it and passing the crypto bill would mean that crypto industry in India would grow. It will get the legal status, and it should just help the country. There's a huge potential in terms of generating employment, in terms of innovation, in terms of everything you can possibly imagine. So India should definitely take that step. But with government stuff, it could be delayed. We don't know if it would be this year. It would be pushed to next year. We're just 3 months left in this year, last quarter. So let's hope that things get clear very, very soon. But they're all positive news so far. Now, one last thing that I wanted to cover. Not the same that, if you're not subscribed, you should subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, whatever, that is there. But one last thing, I really thought that I should add some more value to the videos. So if you've stayed so far, wonderful. You won't regret the decision to be here. I'm not sure if you guys know that your crypto, whatever you own, it could be any coin that you own, from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, anything of the 8,000 plus coins that are in the market, Dogecoin, whatever, you can earn on your crypto. So if you're an investor, if you're a trader, long-term, short-term, whatever, if you have crypto lying in your wallet with some cryptocurrency exchange, you can earn interest. You can earn returns on them. And there are a lot of companies which do that. Your own cryptocurrency exchange might be doing it, but you have to lend them that crypto. So kind of you lose access to it and stuff. I have come across a wonderful website. I am not affiliated to them in any manner. I don't work for them. I earn no commission. There's no referral link, but there is a link for their website, which is not a referral link. I don't get anything out of it, but I thought you might like to check it out. So check them out. They're called Gelt Finance. I really like the idea. They are not even open. You just have to request access to it, early access. So they're not even open worldwide. They're just open. They just operate in USA so far. But yeah, I had a little chat with one of the founders. So I was fortunate enough to have a little chat, and I thought, I really like the concept. So again, I'm not associated with them so far in any capacity. So I'm not earning anything. I'm not getting any benefit when I kind of recommend them, but it's just that it has piqued my interest, and I will have some discussions online on different social media channels, Reddit, Twitter, anywhere I can, about these guys, to see if people have used it, what to think about it. I really think it's an amazing idea. It's an exciting idea that if you get safety while you get returns on yield on your crypto, it seems like a thing that you should try. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon, and take care of yourself. Come back tomorrow for the weekly tech news, and thank you as always for staying so long. Take care. Talk to you soon.